They're called heat sensing pits.
मेरे हार्ट बीट तेज हो गए देख के। वाह।
These are rudimentary legs which are not being used.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, खलील के सफ़र में आप भी मेरे हम सफ़र बनिए। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब ठीक ठाक होंगे। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं भी ठीक हूँ। जैसा आप लोग देखें फ्रेंड्स, कल के व्लॉग में रागा फाउंडेशन के ओनर नंदू भाई से मुलाकात करने के लिए मैं गया था। आइए जानेंगे पेट स्नैक्स के बारे में इन डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन नंदू भाई की ज़ुबानी। ये कौन से स्नैक्स हैं?
Ball pythons. All of them are balls.
ये नॉन वेनेमस रहते हैं।
Non-venomous. These are constrictors.
ये लोग बाइट कोई भी नहीं करते।
They can bite, but they're generally quite friendly. They're not. They don't get scared easily.
बट
They're very chill.
ऐसा एकदम जो है मार दिया तो सर।
No, they won't do anything. They're quite friendly. There's 3 of them. This thing just defecated. And we have.
इनकी लाइफ स्पैन कैसी रहती है भाई?
Reptiles में it's always it's temperature dependent.
वाह, मेरे हार्ट बीट तेज हो गए देख के लोग के।
We are quite. They just finished eating.
हाँ, और ये रेगुलर भी नहीं खाते हैं ना ये लोग, मतलब
No, not regular. इनको क्या करें? It is again temperature dependent. If it's cold, you feed them maybe twice or thrice a month.
बस।
Yeah. If it's hot, you can feed them 6-7 times a month also.
अच्छा, तो ऐसा डेली पानी पीना
But
वो।
if it's very cold, then you don't feed them. They can go without food for a year or 2.
हाँ,
It's not like they need food. So.
क्रेजी। ओह, जो भी मेरे नए फ्रेंड्स ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, मेरे चैनल खलील के सफ़र को आप प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिए। साइड में दिए गए हुए बेल आइकॉन को भी दबाइए जिससे आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे तभी भी मैं नया वीडियो अपलोड करा दूँ। मेरे चैनल पे आप हॉबी रिलेटेड चीज़ें देखोगे फ्रेंड्स। मैं ये चैनल पे हॉबी को प्रमोट करूँगा।
I'll take one of it so that it's easier to handle.
थोड़ी हेल्प करने में भी डर लग रहा है।
That's the boy.
इसमें कैसा जेंडर डेफिनेशन कैसा होता है इसमें? पकड़ लिया। ये इनके मैक्सिमम साइजेस यही रहता है?
No, they grow. So the females will generally be about 5 foot something.
अच्छा।
When the males will be smaller. One back. These are called ball python. They're from sub-Saharan Africa. So what happens is, when they're scared, they become like a ball. They kind of wind up into a ball. So
Can I touch?
yeah.
Oh,
So
that's
they're not as slimy as you think.
जी भाई क्या बोल रहे थे?
So these things are non-venomous. So what happens is, these are constrictors. They just hide in a place. That's why they're not very actively moving. No, you can see it's moving very slowly. It's not very jerky, its movement. Because unlike cobras or rat snakes and things like that, they don't go hunting. They sit in one place and then they wait for their food to come to them. So you can see like little holes on their face here.
Yeah.
These are called heat sensing pits.
Mm-hmm.
So it gives a IR image of what you are. So now, yeah, that's helpful. When they have eaten something, reptiles shed their skin. They can't expand it. So the skin, there's like a socks that comes off. So now when it's about to shed, it can't see very clearly because the skin is loose and even the eyelids are kind of popping out. So what happens is it gets this heat sensing and a thermal image of what is in front of it.
What temperature? Just
Huh.
Eat the rat or something.
Yeah.
Just understanding the blood.
The heat,
Yeah.
the thermal image that it is giving, it knows the size of the animal that is in front of it. So when it looks at me, I am like this massive heat signature. So it understands I am not food. But if as a rat or a mice that it can eat, it will go straight for it. So that is one. And also you'll see its tongue is flicking. It's flicking its tongue every now and then. That's because it's getting the taste of the place. It's trying to understand the smells and stuff like that.
Oh.
So
Music is understanding you that I can eat or not.
yeah, it's all, yeah, because for them they don't have. It's not like they have bonding like how dogs and cats have. Though I noticed that they understand the touch. Like I had one snake which was okay with me touching, but probably not very okay with my wife touching. You know, well, being called a ball python. So, but the thing is, yeah. So these things are constrictors, non-venomous. They just constrict their prey and swallow it. They have no venom in them. They also have rudimentary legs. So if you look at their tail, so that's the head, that's the neck. The rest of it is all the body. The tail is just. I'll show you. The tail of a snake is only this much.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's the bum. And here you can see legs, rudimentary legs.
Mm-hmm.
You can see two scale-like objects
Sure.
on either side. Sorry, my nails are not very clean. So those are rudimentary legs which are not being used.
Mm-hmm.
So they became vestigial.
Achha.
So yeah, so that's how. So generally reptiles don't like to be handled too much, but ball pythons are okay when it comes to handling them, because especially on a cold day like this, they actually enjoy the warmth of the human body. So
भाई मेरे को ये बोलिए आप पहले तो जो है आपको ये क्रेज कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ और कोई नया बंदा जो स्टार्ट करेगा जो बच्चा है कोई भी नया बिगनर है रेप्टाइल्स में ये स्नेक्स में तो उनको क्या सजेस्ट करोगे आप
मेरा ये पागलपन तो मेरा मम्मी से आया था
स्नेक्स का
नॉट स्नेक्स बट जनरली लाइक शी जब वो छोटी थी तो शी हैड डॉग्स एंड बर्ड्स एंड स्टफ लाइक तो वहां से that madness started. Then when I knew that I could get something like this, it kind of I couldn't say no. मेरे को ऐसा कुछ मेरे को ऐसा कुछ ये नहीं है जहाँ पर I differentiate between ये पसंद है ये ना पसंद है ऐसा. मेरे को हर जानवर पसंद है. I like animals over humans. So ऐसा. But generally लोग क्या करते हैं, especially reptiles में, when they get reptiles, they don't look at their basic requirements. So या कि ज़्यादा लाड प्यार से they handle them way too much, or they put them in enclosures that are not right for them. So that is something that you have to do your homework before getting them, and talk to people who have animals like this. So take some tips from them, try to mimic what they're doing, and eventually it's easy to keep them. In fact, they're the easiest. I call them living rocks because you just need to give them water, and feed can be very irregular or regular. So you could forget that you have a snake for a few days and it will be fine. So in fact, probably it will be happier when people forget that they're there. So, but then yeah, they tend to escape. So you need to have a really nice enclosure. Now we are doing bioactive enclosures where we don't have to even clean the poop of the snake, where we have a crew, a little insect crew, which will actually devour whatever the feces is. So we can have springtails and isopods and dubia roaches and mealworms and things like that. So we're working on those enclosures. So I'll try to show you maybe in the near future something like that. Yeah, so that's ball python.
So crazy, very beautiful, very nice. बहुत बढ़िया.
You can hold it. It's absolutely nothing. Here.
Crazy feeling. Wow. Oh,
So this is what you understand. The animal is talking. When I touched it near the face, it didn't like it, so it went back. So you don't do that again. No. Then you leave it to a point where it's coming by itself. So when people say, "How do you know how the snake feels?" It's always talking to you. It's just that you should understand the body language.
that's true.
You know, if it's not comfortable, it will be balling up. It will become like a ball. If it's stretching itself out, that means that it is comfortable. You know, it's not threatened.
Comfortable with our touch.
Yeah, otherwise it just ball up and it will hiss and it will not want to be touched and things like that. But here you can see it's super comfortable with people holding it. We'll put him back. Oh, that's just a temporary enclosure. This thing, so, wait, I'll show you the other one. That thing has a much better population. Now, this thing also moss. This thing also moss. I'll show you this. It's all junk because nobody ever comes here. So here we're growing. What do you call them? Java ferns.
Java ferns. ये ग्रो हो रहे हैं? मेरे को तो नहीं लग रहा है ये ग्रो हो
They're
रहे हैं.
now shooting.
Small.
So we're stressing them so that they give
Release.
spores. And this thing, I don't know if it's working, but then I wanted to grow moss on this, where I think it's slowly establishing itself. It's not very old. So, but if you go for those really high-end mutations, then they'll be expensive. I don't know how exactly. I haven't
तो
bought.
पर अगर हमें मतलब किसी को भी एक्सोटिक वैरायटीज के रेप्टाइल्स या स्नेक्स जो है लेना है तो हम ये पूरे लीगल रहता है.
So there is something called Parvesh registration. You should always have any animal that you have that's exotic. Always ask for paperwork. That is, all the animals have to be registered under Parvesh portal. So you will get a certificate from the ownership document from the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So we've declared all our animals. So only then it's best to buy because you don't know what's being smuggled. You don't know how the route is. So if you have somebody who is breeding them, then they can declare their progeny and then they can give it. But the pricing, so these things have like thousands of colors. So it all depends on supply, demand and colors and things like that. So I'm not very good at the pricing part.
But खाली आइडिया है क्या? Approximately हम exactly नहीं चाहिए.
I don't think they should be very expensive. I think like you should get like newborns or like young ones, which are like the wild morph. I think 5,000 to 10,000 rupees max. I think, but they could go expensive if they're really big. They have some really rare mutation. Then I don't know, maybe a couple of lakhs. I don't. I'm not very sure.
भाई बीच में आप हैदराबादी बात भी करना.
हाँ जी
ये
बिल्कुल.
तो इंटरनेशनल लोग देखेंगे बट हमारे हैदराबाद के लोग ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं.
बिल्कुल. नहीं तो वही मेरा
हैदराबादी बहुत अच्छा है. इसीलिए
चलो बढ़िया. मैं हमेशा सोचता था कि मेरा हिंदी उतना अच्छा नहीं है, मगर हाँ बिल्कुल कोशिश आई.
बीच में चलेगा. आपके हैदराबादी टच भी जो है रहेंगे तो पता चलेगा हम हैदराबाद के हैं.
बिल्कुल.
चलिए.
हाँ जी. Not really much, but you can see those insects. These things eat anything that's decaying. These are called springtails. So ये springtails जो है अगर आप बायोएक्टिव एनक्लोजर्स में लगाएंगे तो सपोज आपका चिड़िया या कुछ भी बीट कर दिया, कुछ भी कर दिया तो ये खा जाते हैं.
अच्छा.
तो इनफैक्ट व्हाट वी डू इज हम लोग इनको जैसा यहाँ पर आई हैव सम, आई मीन इट्स नॉट वेरी क्लीन, बट इफ यू कैन जस्ट थ्रो सम ओट्स और सम राइस, ऐसा कुछ भी. इसको नहीं खाते हैं, मगर ये जब सड़ते रहता है, यू कैन सी हाई ह्यूमिडिटी एरिया है, तो वो जब थोड़ा सड़ जाएगा तो उसको खाना शुरू कर देते हैं. सो ये यू कैन हैव एनक्लोजर्स लाइक ऐसा वाले फॉर वेरियस एनिमल्स जो वेर you have a bioactive enclosure. But then that's my bathroom and that's my favorite part of the house.
कभी इमेजिन कर सकते हो फ्रेंड्स, एक ट्रू एनिमल लवर, एक ट्रू बर्ड लवर, एक फिश लवर, एक नेचर लवर का वॉशरूम किस तरह से होता है. आइए देखेंगे. ये है नंदू भाई का वॉशरूम, जहाँ हर तरफ नेचर ही नेचर है फ्रेंड्स। आज के ये व्लॉग में हम पेट स्नेक्स के बारे में जाने थे, इसके लिए नंदू भाई का तहे दिल से शुक्र अदा करते हैं। इंशाल्लाह कल के व्लॉग में सन कॉन्यूज़ के बारे में जानेंगे और सन कॉन्यूज़ के बारे में देखेंगे फ्रेंड्स। ऐसे ही इंटरेस्टिंग व्लॉग्स के लिए खलील के सफ़र को आप प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिए। तब तक आप अपना ख्याल रखिए, अपनों का ख्याल रखिए और हमें दुआओं में ज़रूर याद रखिए। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स। बाय बाय।